Hey guys, I'm Vivek Mantri. First of all, thanks to every one of you who is watching this video. It's just because of you who is watching the video, I could cross my first 4,000 public hours on YouTube. Thanks to each and everyone. Today we are going to discuss specifically about name numerology and medical numerology. Name numerology, almost everyone must have heard. On every alternate day, you see an advertisement on Facebook or on WhatsApp or something like that. So then what is medical numerology? Medical numerology is a field of science which has been there, or I'll call it as medical astrology. It was there since the ancient ages. Now we are focusing more on medical numerology. So why medical numerology? The day you are born, you are assigned a number. That is your birth number and destiny number. Along with that, it also comes a zodiac number, which defines your health issues, which defines important events in the life, which defines what can happen. Every body part is governed by a particular zodiac. Every body part is also governed by a particular BNDN. So, if you are aware about a medical numerology, definitely you will be able to take precautionary measures when the numbers are not in sync, when the numbers are not in harmony with each other. So when do the numbers don't come in harmony with each other? Of course, when your personal year is not synced, when your B and DN are not in sync, when your name number is not in sync. So definitely you will see certain issues related to health on those particular points. So if you understand medical numerology along with the name numerology, you will be able to map your health issues well in advance. At least you will be able to take the precautionary measures that yes, something can go wrong, something can happen. And it's always good. And why I'm saying this, guys, just think about it whenever you are on the highway. You put up your GPS system, don't you? GPS system guides you to take a right turn, wrong turn, whatever turns you take. It is based on your GPS system. If you miss your turn, as GPS has advised, probably you might end up with some issue. Similarly, when you understand your birth chart, when you understand your name numerology, when you understand what zodiac is working at what time, definitely you can take preventive measures. So in the course which we are starting from 24th of November now, whether you are a fresher or whether you are an experienced numerologist or an astrologer, this course will help you to understand the in-depth of human body, how the body functions, what are the various parameters which affect the human body, right from how blood formation happens in the body. We'll be dealing with almost every parameter. So is it necessary for you to understand all those things? Of course, few of you might say that I don't need. It's fine, you don't need, but at least you can take a guideline for yourself that yes, under which zodiac, under which number, what can happen, when particular event can happen in your life. So this upcoming workshop will help each and everyone who is looking forward to understand the concepts of numerology and use them in the practical life in the ready to use manner. Plus, how to sell yourself. You will be able to sell yourself. You will be able to sell your skills. You will be able to sell your knowledge so that you are able to add value to some person's life. So friends, this is the time to pull up your sleeves and start working towards your goals. Pull up your sleeves, start working towards your goals. Work out on that particular factor which can help you to even attract more clients, can get more money, and also help you to start even a parallel business. If someone wants to get into numerology as a business, why not? So guys, this is the time for you. Go ahead, and yes, we have only 2 days left to start the batch. Last few seats, only few serious people would be allowed to join. Thank you.